Okay, I'm here to attest to the changes that have come about in my body since I started chiropractic help with Dr. Connor. The list is so long that in spite of this being actually spontaneous, I have to read it because so many good things have happened. My leg doesn't drag anymore. I would notice that I'd scuff my shoe when I was walking. Sometimes even have a little bit of ataxia, I guess, because it's like walking on a hill. That doesn't happen. They're being more the same length. My legs started out, one was 1 3/4 inches shorter than the other one. There was a huge asymmetry in my weight distribution on my body. Beginning weight change was 9 pounds heavier on one side than the other. Now, when we weigh even right before the treatment, it was 2 pounds today. It's a big difference. The other things that I noticed is that the toes in my left leg, especially the second and third, sometimes the fourth digit, don't tingle anymore. I used to get some shooting pains in my right arm. That hasn't happened for a long time. By the way, this is probably my 6th treatment, I think. So it's only been maybe 3 weeks at the most, 2-3 weeks. I noticed in the middle of one of the treatment sessions that the muscles in my lumbar area here in the middle of my back, on the back, just relaxed, and it wasn't anything that I did or tried to do or expected. It just happened. My posture, I've always tried to walk straight, but I had this farmer posture. It was like looking at the ground, and in spite of trying to stand up straight, it just wasn't natural. Now my posture's improved, my chest is out. I don't look like I'm searching for the next penny on the street anymore. I had consistent pain in the medial part of the middle part of my left knee. I've experienced that once since it's gone away. I used to have some pretty significant ringing in my ears. It wasn't to the point where it was totally distracting or impairing my hearing, but I've noticed that it's much less. It's probably maybe 60% less now, I would say. I had a tight, I told you this was long, I had a tight muscle that was underneath my shoulder blade on the right, went over to the attached to the vertebra. That always felt like it needed to be rubbed out, and that's pretty much gone now. Overall, I've noticed that there's been all these things have been improved, and I'm sure that I'm not the only one that has seen improvement here. Another thing, a big difference in this office that I notice compared to other doctors' offices is that the people that come here are happy, and so it's obviously made a positive impact in their life too. I'm really thankful to have come here and enjoy the benefits from Dr. Connor. Thank you.